It's a little crazy in Chicago tonight. Little crazy. It is 8:25 Chicago time. 8:25 p.m. that is. Snow is coming down in bunches. That's all I can say. Apparently here comes an emergency vehicle coming up on the left side of the screen. I am currently on Ashland Avenue heading northbound, and I am just south of, let's see here, I believe I am coming up on Chicago Avenue. And so, still got a ways to go to get home. And, nope, make that Augusta. I'm at Augusta. Just giving you a little sample of the Chicago weather here. 8:25 p.m. A little crazy, lots of snow, lots of wind, driving a bit interesting.